Hi families, today I will show you a tutorial on how to log into Think Central to take a phonics and a grammar test. This tutorial is only for kids with a Clever badge. So after logging into your Chromebook using your Clever badge, click on the Think Central tab. Your username and password should already be in there. If not, you can put them in yourself and then click on Go to Think Central. You're going to put in your username and password. And for this one, you do not need any capitals for your password. Once you are logged in, you want to go to Things to Do. You'll notice here that you have a grammar and a phonics test. Today I'm going to show you phonics because there's some things that parents can and cannot help with. With grammar, parents can read out loud the questions if your student needs help, but you cannot help them answer. So I'm going to click on the blue phonics lesson 1. And here they're going to make you click on it again because you want to check your status. Your status is you have not started the test. So you're going to click on phonics lesson 1 again. And here's just some reminders on how to take the test. You can click next to go to the next question. You can click back if you need to go back to a question. And you can change any of your answers on the test until you click Score Test. After that, you will see your score and your final answers, and your score will be sent to your teacher. Click on Start Test when you're ready. So for phonics, parents can't help because it is a sounding out test. So the student needs to very carefully read the question and their answers and click their answers. I'm going to go fairly quick here, making some mistakes, and I'm going to skip one as well. So you click your answer after reading, click next when you're ready. If you make a mistake, you can also click clear answer, or if you weren't sure about one, you can go back. So I'm going to click next, and I'm going to accidentally skip this one. Click next. Now I'm going to make some mistakes so we can see what that looks like. Make sure you can click on your answer. And once I get to the end, it'll say Score Test instead of next. I click on Score Test. And here you can see I skipped these 2 questions, 3 and 8. So they're blue. I click on the 3 and it brings me to that question. And then I can click on it and click next. And now it will make you go through each one again and carefully make sure you've answered them. And I can remember that I forgot 8 and do it now. Or again, when I get to the end and it says Score Test, it would have another reminder. So now that I'm done, I'm going to click Score Test. I don't have any that I skipped. I'm going to hit OK. And it'll show you how many you got correct and how many you got wrong. If you're on a wrong one, you can click here on the little blue arrow, and it'll show you which one you missed and why. The goal is to get at least 8 out of 10, which is 80%. So you can tell your students to strive for that 80%, okay? When you are all complete, you just close that window. It'll bring you back here. Now you're completed. So you go back. Now you'll notice you only have your grammar test to take. When you're done with your grammar test, you are all finished. You can look at my scores if you want to go back and see how you did on those 2 tests.